this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Close to My Heart, and I am going to use the new Halloween collection that is now available today through the 31st of October of 2019. Now, this collection came out with, it's brand new, so I got everything that I could get with it. And today I decided to use just the sticker pad with a little bit of extra stuff to it outside of the papers. Other than that, I didn't come in with anything else. So here I am, I'm explaining. This is one of my lives that I did into my group. Now my hashtag My Scrappy Life will be linked down below along with my consultant. And again, this is available from now until the 31st of October 2019. And these are the stickers. The stickers, they have now turned them into a 12 by 12 instead of the 6 by 12 that they used to have, or nothing at all. And so it comes with all this, the paper and whatnot that you see there. And then I did get the stamps and thinlits, but I decided not to use them this time. But you can get them in there. And that link will be down below with everything that you can get for this collection. Oh, and I am showing you a few other things too. I did get that one as well, along with the books. And at the end of this, you'll go through the process video, and then at the end, it's up to you if you want to stay or not. But at the end, you will see a quick glimpse of what's in the, in the group, for what's in the catalog for you to use. So I am using a sketch that I found online. I know that I found it on Pinterest, but I'm not sure exactly where I got it from, because when I went to go back to try to find it, I guess me, the goofball, did not save it. So I'm going to hopefully be able to find it, but there it is, and I do bring it in a couple of different times. So I do get it all worked out, and the color goes on, and you will see me work along with these colors. Now everything is pushed off to the one side, and I do that. And this time I was talking about how I'm not going to distress. And they're all like, are you sure you're Miranda? And what did you do with him? And I'm like, yes, I am Miranda. Every once in a while, I don't mind not distressing. So the photos that I am using is of my daughter last year. So I have to scrapbook the year behind for Halloween, because I am completely caught up on all of my Halloween except for last year's. And I've got 2 other photos or 3 other photos that I've got to do a Frankenstein while we were in Germany. And then I am completely caught up. So I always have to take photos the year of, and then the following year I scrapbook them. Because I like to leave those for October, just because I don't really have that many Halloween photos to begin with. So this is the only time I really do scrapbook this style of stuff. And the photos that I am is, my daughter had to wear 2 outfits because our school does not allow scary items. So she has to dress up all nice and pretty and whatnot for school, and then she gets very dark because Halloween is her second favorite holiday. She will tell you this. This is her second favorite holiday. And she has to dress, and then she dresses up for Halloween. She'll dress up very dark. So this is one of the shimmer and shines. Do not tell me which shine or shimmer this is, but it is shimmer or shine. And that's what she wore to school. So I thought, because this is kind of a little bit cutesy, that this would work perfect for her, because the layout that I'm going to use for the photos that she does at night get a little darker. Not too much, but a little darker. And now I'm putting in the strips. So I found my scissors, and I was just explaining that I did find my scissors, and I was like so excited that I found a good pair of scissors, and they are Fiskars, and I got them at Joann's. But I'm just backing the photo up right here, and I really like how this turns out. I do desperately enjoy what this looks like and how this looks like. And it turned out really well. Now, they were trying to get me to put on tons of different things on there, but it just, I needed the colors to match. And I couldn't find a bicycle that matches these colors. And things like that. So they were kind of laughing at me on my live. They're like, oh, you didn't put a bicycle. I'm like, dude, I don't have a bicycle that's these colors. Like, I don't mind putting random stuff as long as the color matches. That has always been that's always been my thing. So I am now putting this down, and I'm going to back it up on some foam tape. And my foam tape is just from Walmart. It's just the typical stuff that's got the sticky. And now I'm waiting for them to tell me if I should put it on the bottom or the top. I went with one photo instead of two, but I kept pretty much everything pretty well consistent to what I wanted it to be. So I place this down, and then I pretty much, now it's all embellishment time. So I take the word haunting, and I place that on the side. And you'll see me mess around with this a couple of times. So I found that they wanted me to go this way, so that's what I do. I hope that you're enjoying everything that we did for Scraptember. I know that this is going up on the 2nd of October. I am catching up, but I will definitely have all of my 30 days. I only missed 8. Can you believe it? I only missed 8. That's not bad, considering that I am in school full-time, teaching full-time and stuff. And Halloween, let me tell you, Halloween is one of my favorite holidays, and I have been wearing all of my Halloween stuff all week long, and I will wear it all week long until the 31st of October. So now I am putting up my bats, and I'm putting little stickers down on the bottom just to pop it up a little bit. I really like how this part turns out. I think it works out good in the bottom, just to give it a little bit of something down there in the bottom. Obviously, you guys do know that my still shots are coming up. Those are always at the end of the video. Make sure that you do like and subscribe to my channel. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week, just so that you guys get good content. And I do put that spider web right there, and I place some candy down to act like this is the spider's web, and then I do find a spider and I put that down. So I start my owl right there, and then they tell me to move it, and you'll see me move it while I'm working on this little cluster. I do really like this, so make sure that if you are really liking this collection, make sure that you check down below. I will leave you the link to everything. You can get all different sites of kits. You can get just the paper. You can get the paper in the sticker pad. You can get whatever you feel like getting for this collection, and I'll link that down below. Again, just to let you know that it is only available from now until the 31st of October of 2019. And then it disappears until we come up with something next year. I really love how this owl turns out. I think it's wonderful and it's perfect. I just love it. And let's see here. What else can I say? Soccer season is now over. I think anyway. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's over. My daughter's team did a better season this year, or this time around. It was 1 win, 2 losses, and three losses and two ties. So they did pretty well because they never had ties last year nor a win. So they were pretty excited. They were really excited about it. But unfortunately that didn't get us to the playoffs. But that was done last night, so I was ripping and roaring all last week and this week on doing that. I did decorate my classroom. If you follow me on social media, you'll see that I have started my Halloween decor. And I'm just placing down all of these little bits, and I like the enamel dots. The enamel dots you can get available at any time, and they're the black and white. I just love the colors that these do and what this does. And then I do back up the bats to give a little bit of dimension there in the corner. And then I add some stars, and then I add a little bit more of these, and then that's pretty much done. And I do a little bit of journaling. You'll see my lines. Nope, the lines came afterwards. And then I do place my journaling on there. And then that's pretty much it. So I do come in with my gold splatters. I do take out my Tuscan Sun from Shimmers, and that's what I add. And then this is pretty much it. So what I'm going to do is that if you want to stick around now, you will see what's in the catalog from now until the 31st of October. Then November 1, it starts a new catalog. So make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to check out the catalog, my links will be down below. And then outside of that, I hope that you enjoy the rest of your evening. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.